In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom voice in Elevenlabs. To get started, open Elevenlabs and log into your account. Once you are signed in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will find the main tools and settings. From there, select the Voices section after that. Click the plus icon next to Voice to begin creating a new one. A Create Voice window will open on your screen. In this window, choose the Instant Voice Clone option. This feature is designed to let you create a custom voice quickly by using an audio sample. Before moving on, make sure your audio is longer than 10 seconds. That minimum length is important because it gives the system enough material to capture the tone, pacing, and overall sound of the voice more accurately. Once you've selected Instant Voice Clone, the next step is to provide your audio. You can either record audio directly inside the platform or upload a pre-recorded file that you already have ready. If you are uploading a file, try to use a clear recording with minimal echo or background sound, since cleaner audio usually leads to better voice results. After your audio has been uploaded, look for the option that says Remove Background Noise from Audio Recordings and check that box. This can help improve the quality of the final voice clone, especially if the recording includes any unwanted sound in the background. Then click Next to continue. On the following screen, you will need to enter some details for your new voice. Add a name for the voice so it's easy to identify later. Then fill in the label and value fields as required. You can also write a description to help organize your voices, especially if you plan to create more than one. A short, clear description can make it easier to remember what this voice is meant for. Once everything is filled out, check the box to agree to the terms. This is the final confirmation step before the voice is created. Your custom voice will now be saved in Elevenlabs and ready for you to use. If you want the best possible result, remember that audio quality matters a lot, so clear recordings usually make a big difference. Thanks for watching.